In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two clips together to make one individual clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can see on my timeline down here that I have two individual clips. So in order to make this one clip, then what we need to do is just highlight both of the clips by making this selection, and then we can right click on Nest, and then go and give your nested sequence a name. So for example, I could call this intro and press OK. And now, as you can see, this is one single clip. So if I was to apply certain effects to this, you can see it now affects the entire video clip. And you can do this with more than two video clips as well. You can do this with 10, 20, it's entirely really up to you. And one of the cool features of nesting the clips in this way is if I double click on this video clip, you can see this makes a new sequence where we can still see the original two video clips. So we can still make adjustments and changes to these two videos. But over in our original sequence, we just now have this one video clip. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you merge video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.